Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. Today is very special day because it's my sister's birthday. We have a lot of surprise and planned for her and we are going to make this day extra memorable for her. So let's get this vlog started. We organized my sister's birthday party at Mughal restaurant. This is Mughal restaurant and they have decorated the place very nicely. This place looks like the residence of the kings of the past and here my sister is taking pictures. And you know, guys, my sister looks very pretty today. Although my sister is already very beautiful, but today it looks more beautiful because my sister is wearing a sari today. My brother is taking pictures of my sister.
Just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.
She is my
Send
sister's
message
friend.
after message, forward my call. Next day.
Then, for a while, I became the birthday girl. I looked so cute wearing the birthday belt and had some nice music playing in the background, so I made a little video. Suddenly, electricity went out, and everyone knows that we are facing a lot of problems for electricity in Hobbygon's for a few days. After an hour, the electricity came on, and the birthday cake is ready. The cake looks so much delicious, and I think it will be very delicious to eat.
What about all the things you used to say to me?
And now everyone is taking picture of the cake.
Know just what you do to
Here is my
me.
sister
Play
standing in
my
front of the cake
emotions
and
like
taking
a
some
pair of
pictures and making
puppet
some videos.
strings.
And you know
Did it
what?
ever
My
occur
sister
to
looks
you
like
my
a
heart's
queen
more than
today.
a
Although my sister is
toy?
already very beautiful,
Please go
but
easy
today she
on me,
looks more
babe.
beautiful because she wear a
Send
shari
message
today.
after message, forward my call. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't
I
the
have a friend
way it's
here
supposed
and
to
I am doing a video with him.
be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me
After cutting the cake, everyone is
chasing
eating.
waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there,
Then
times
we
I've
all
been
took
through.
some group photos
I would
together.
meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let
This
me
is now
love
the
you,
most beautiful
babe?
place of Mughal restaurant.
Used
We
to
sat
be
down to take
optimistic.
pictures.
These days
Here
I
too we
just
make
don't
many
know.
pictures and made a
Weekends
video.
in the
There is
valley,
a glass
always
attached from
losing
the
his
back. From
phone.
this side, the street
I
side
know the
looks
mother
more
girls
beautiful.
love you like
It
I
looks like a foreign
do.
country.
Can't afford to give
Until
up
now,
on
brother was
you.
taking photos of all us.
And
Now
you
my brother feel like
know
taking some picture.
I wouldn't
And
do that
here I
to
am
you.
making some
You
videos with my
know
sister.
I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch
Suddenly the
up.
electricity is
Oh love,
again went
what
out.
I won't do.
As the
Oh,
beauty
you
outside looks very
got
beautiful
me
standing here, so brother is
chasing
making some cinematic videos
waterfall.
to my sister. Although my brother is not a photographer,
Oh,
but
you
he can take
got
beautiful photos
me
and videos.
chasing waterfall.
Many pictures were taken. Now everyone is hungry. We are all waiting for food. It is almost 8 o'clock at night, and finally our kakshi came. It smelled very nice and looked like it would be very delicious to eat. Seeing the food, we couldn't stay any longer and started eating together.
Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I
After
wouldn't
eating
treat you
and
that
drinking, I was
way.
talking to my brother in English.
Brother, can you please tell me anything else?
We are here lots of people, as you can see. I would like to request to Sonia to show you all the people.
My brother loves me a lot, even though he is much older, but seeing our bonding, no one will understand that I am much younger than him. Brother asked me a lot of questions in English and I couldn't answer the questions, so I turned off the sound of this video.
All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere.
I am eating
if it
cake
brought me
now,
closer
and
to you.
the cake is so delicious
Distance
that
is
I finished
killing
the
you,
whole
make
cake.
so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley. I hope it's losing its hold. You know the other girls will love you like I do.
So everyone, this is my today's vlog. Hope you like it, and yeah, if you like my video, don't forget to comment and share my video with your friends. I will be interested in making more videos like this if you encourage me, so definitely support me, guys. Now again, I saw here a beautiful place. Here they have decorated beautifully with flowers, so I'm doing a little video. Everyone is coming here again to take a pictures and make videos, so we sat here for a while and took pictures and made videos. Finally, our program is finished, and now we are standing here waiting for the Rishka. But we didn't find Rishka, that's why we are going home by Tom Tom. So I hope guys you enjoy this video, and yeah, definitely don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tada!